Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will learn how to schedule a backup of your company data to a local drive using TallyPrime. TallyPrime Release 7.0 introduces the Schedule Backup feature for scheduling data backups to local drives as well as Tally Drive, a secure cloud storage environment. Once you create a backup schedule, TallyPrime automatically backs up your data at the scheduled time as long as your system is running, even if the application is closed. Let's see how to create a backup schedule to a local drive. The destination for the backup can be a local drive, a pen drive, or a shared network location. In TallyPrime, press Alt-Y, Backup and Restore, Schedule Backup. Press Backspace and set the backup data path to a local drive. Now, under Company Name, select the company that you want to back up. You can select one or more companies or choose all items to back up all listed companies. You can also select from the loaded companies. Drill down from Select Loaded Company and select the company as required. Once you have selected the companies for which you want to take the backup, select End of List and press Enter. Now, enter the schedule details. Set the backup frequency as once, daily, weekly, or monthly. By default, it is set to daily, as it is recommended to back up your company data on a daily basis. If you choose weekly or monthly, you can specify multiple days or dates for the backup. Next, set the time of backup. It is recommended to schedule backups at non-business hours, such as the end of the workday, so that your day-to-day activities are not interrupted. To configure the method of backup and restorable versions, press F12 and enable the option Provide Method of Backup. Once enabled, you can select the method of backup as incremental or full. Incremental backup takes a full backup right after saving the schedule and thereafter only backs up the changes made in the company data since the last backup, as per the schedule. This will save both time and storage space and is the recommended and default method. Whereas, full backup takes a full backup of all your company data every time, as per the schedule. Note that selecting this option will result in longer backup time and more storage space occupied in the backup data path. Select the method of backup. Next, enter the number of restorable versions. This means how many past backups from this schedule you want TallyPrime to keep available for you to restore. By default, TallyPrime keeps 7 versions, which means it stores the 7 most recent backups taken under this schedule. You have the flexibility to set this between 1 and 366, depending on how many past backups you want to keep for recovery, based on your business need. The option, Take a Backup Now, is enabled by default. This ensures a backup is taken immediately after saving the schedule, even if the scheduled time is later. Press Ctrl-A to save the backup schedule. And that's it. TallyPrime will take the backup as per the schedule details. You can view the backup schedules in the Schedule Backup report. To learn more, refer to the video How to Manage Backup Schedules in the Schedule Backup Report. Link is in the description. Thank you. On any screen in Tally Prime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task.